Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Travel and Invest channel. If you're new to using transfer partners, it can be a little difficult or even a little intimidating transferring points for the first time. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points to transfer partners. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. So if you didn't know already, Chase has 12 transfer partners, 9 airline and 3 hotel. You have an option to book your flights on Chase's travel portal where you can find some good redemptions, or you can transfer your points to Chase's transfer partners and get some unbelievable redemptions. Transfer partners are where you're going to get the most value for your points, especially when it comes to business class flights and first class flights. But before you transfer any points, you must know that once you transfer your points from Chase to one of the travel partners, you cannot transfer those points back. So make sure you have done your research and you know exactly how many miles it's going to take to travel, and also only transfer the exact amount of points that you need. You don't want to have points just sitting in an account that you can't use because you're not ready to take a particular trip because you transferred too many points or transferred points before you were ready to book a flight. Trust me, I know from firsthand experience. But let's go ahead and get started on this step-by-step guide on how to transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points. First, you want to log into Chase's Ultimate Reward site. Once you log in, you're going to see your Ultimate Reward point earning accounts. You might need to combine points if you have the Chase Freedom or Chase Freedom Unlimited cards. To do so, you're going to go to the drop-down menu and select Combine Points. The rest is pretty self-explanatory, so we're not going to go there. Moving back to how you transfer your points to transfer partners, you're going to select either your Chase Sapphire Reserve or Chase Sapphire Preferred. You will only be able to transfer points to transfer partners if you have one of these cards. If you're interested in learning more about the Chase Sapphire Reserve or Chase Sapphire Preferred, I'll leave my review videos about those cards in the description box below. After you select your Sapphire card, next you're going to click the Transfer Your Points button. Next, you're going to select the transfer partner you want to transfer your points to and press Transfer Points. Here, you're going to select how many points you want to transfer and the account info of the program you're transferring your points to. Lastly, you will need to confirm and submit your request. Then boom, you're all done. Some transfers are instant and some transfers take a few days. Here's a list of Chase's transfer partners and how long it takes for each transfer to complete. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about transferring your points, make sure you ask me in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get right back with you. Also, if you found this video useful, make sure you share it with somebody and also hit that like button. Until next time, have a good one.